Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Local pig farmers are hoping that more Jamaicans will consume pork. The players say despite the strong local production capacity, the multi-million-dollar industry faces a fall-off in demand. Javon Keys has details.
The Jamaica Pig Farmers Association, JPFA, says before the COVID-19 pandemic, the domestic pork industry was valued at $15 billion. The group, which represents some 4,000 farmers, says despite the large production capacity, consumption is low. The JPFA president, Hanif Brown, says the country has one of the lowest percentage of pork consumption per 1,000 persons.
The current data is from the U.S. Export Department of Jamaica currently at 4.4 kilograms per capita. This would basically suggest that 2 decades ago when the JPFA came into effect and the modernization of this industry, at that time it pretty much stood at about 2.9 kg.
What's behind the low consumption? He says there may be a few religious factors and apprehension surrounding the processing.
The way our consumer perceive pork. For years pork has been somewhat shown, especially through the media and even the way things were prior to 2 decades ago, in the manner in which pigs were grown, pigs just roam. I think that perception and the fact that probably I grew up here and that pork might sick you and all these ridiculous things. The quality of pork is the key thing that consumers should look out for.
The association launched the Pork Jamaica campaign this week with hopes of changing that.
Our strategy is to try and double the pork consumption in Jamaica over the next 3 to 5 years.
As to whether the sector is ready for the Christmas pork demand,
the supply is excellent. As the minister stated, we had an industry meeting probably 5 weeks ago. And I was happy to know that all the processors and the various entities have indicated that they have sufficient quantities for the Christmas season and beyond.
For the business day, I'm Javon Keys.
To the foreign exchange market now. The Jamaican dollar gained 97 cents against the U.S. currency by the close of trading on Thursday. It's costing an average $155.19 for $1 US. The Canadian dollar has been sold for $116.01. $196.38 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.19. Now, the JSE index gained 1,983 points today, while the junior market index increased by 77 points. Among the winners, Indies Pharma Jamaica, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Access Financial Services, Spurtree Spices Jamaica, and Regency Petroleum. On the losing side were G West Corporation, Epley, Key Insurance Company, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Dolphin Cove. And that's it for the business day. International news after the break.